Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video where today, we will be checking on the 5 best dash cams. I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see the price, and find out more information about these dash cameras, you can check out the description, and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, we have Garmin Dash Cam 55. The Dash Cam 55 comes with a 3.7 megapixel camera that records in 1440p at 30 fps, and both light and low lit surroundings, but you can lower the resolution as well. But keep in mind that this leads to a decreased quality. Moving on, you will have 2 options of operation, whether with your voice or by your smartphone. If you download the free Virbi app, for instance, if you intend to use your speech, all you have to do is to say "Okay Garmin" and give a specific instruction such as take a picture, start, or stop. While if you prefer the second option, I'd like to inform you that you can edit your videos, frame your shots, locate the camera, and much more with a single tap on your smartphone. Finally, this device integrates a G sensor, which I particularly like, but let's not forget that this device will alert you if you stray from your lane, or if you're driving too close to the car ahead. Overall, I'd recommend you consider the Garmin Dash Cam 55 seriously, because this unit is strong enough to be considered as a lifetime investment. At number 2, we have the Vantrue N2 Pro. The Vantrue N2 Pro is yet another dual dash camera system that was specifically designed to accommodate the needs of the taxis who spend hours driving on the road. So let's get quickly into action in order to find out what can you expect from this unit from a design perspective. The M2 Pro includes 2 cameras, such as a front camera that will record the road ahead, while the second one is recording the passenger cabin. But what both of them have in common is the ability to record at 1080p resolution. I would also like to mention that these cameras are exceptionally durable, thanks to their construction that was made of PC and ABS housing, which make them strong enough to operate in temperatures that range from -4 to 194 degrees. However, keep in mind the best possible results can occur from -4 to up to 158 degrees. At number 3, we have ThinkWare F770. The F770 utilizes an Umbrella 7 CPU, a Sony XMR image sensor of up to 2.19 million pixels in a 1080p HD camera, with 140-degree wide viewing angles, which is absolutely great since we are talking about a 2-channel camera. I'd like to inform you that one of the cameras can be placed on the front while the second on the rear, and what's interesting about it is that both of them can record 1080p videos, with 30 fps, which is awesome. Moving on, the F770 Gamma's Wi-Fi enabled as well, and regardless if you are an iOS or Android user, you can configure its settings from your smartphone and watch live videos. But that's not all. According to the manufacturer, during the night drive this camera can increase the brightness set up to 1000% while reducing this noise to the minimum, so your videos will not only be well defined, but they will also be filled with dozens of details. Last but not the least, this device will detect road markings while you are driving, and even push voice warnings when it detects a risk of an imminent collision. Overall, the ThinkWare F770 deserves your attention, so check it out and assure yourself of its quality. At number 4, we have Singh V1. The Singh V1 has been on the market for a couple of years, but since its initial release, users have not stopped purchasing it, due to its powerful capabilities that will guarantee you consistent recordings, with exceptionally sharp quality. From a design perspective, this unit has an all-black low-profile construction that is accompanied by 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, a 2.4-inch screen, with an intuitive control panel located beneath a micro USB port, a single micro SD slot, a GPS port, and an included 3-meter adhesive mount, of which you can take an advantage in order to mount this camera on your windshield. Except the adhesive mount, you will also find a 12 feet in-car power cable, single USB cable, and a user manual, but you will have an option to purchase additional accessories if you feel that the included ones are not sufficient, which I really doubt. Finally, at number 5 we have Rove Dashcam C1. The C1 is powered by an advanced Sony XMR sensor, and uses the Nighthawk vision technology, which basically means that this unit can capture 4 lanes of traffic in full HD 1080p resolution, with 30 fps, so even if you are driving at night, nothing could be missed. Moreover, there is also an integrated shock sensor, which will automatically start recording when it feels that undesirable incidents are upcoming, so you will have a full footage of everything that has happened. But that's not all. The C1 has a gravity sensor as well, which will instantly be activated once your car is bumped from someone who wants to disappear. After that, so you can take the captured video and show it to the police officers, because no one may get out with it. Another great thing about this camera is the fact that it is extremely durable, or to be more precise, the C1 can operate in temperatures that range from 19 to up to 149 Fahrenheit. So as you can see, this camera can operate in different weather conditions, while maintaining its quality recordings to the highest levels. Overall, if you are looking for a budget dash camera that performs really well, then this is the one for you.